Hey everyone, and welcome to Barcode. In this Java tutorial series, we will dive into the basics together. By the end of these lessons, you will not only have a solid understanding of the fundamentals, but also the skills and the knowledge to start building your own Java applications. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now, to get started, we're gonna need two things. First of all, the JDK or Java Development Kit. This will let us compile and run the Java code on our machine. And secondly, a code editor or IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now, if you want, you can also write your Java code in Notepad if you're a masochist, but I'd suggest you use instead an IDE which has syntax highlighting, an integrated compiler, debugging tools, and so much more. So first, let's download the Java Development Kit. Open your browser, type in the search bar JDK download, and go to the Oracle's website. All the links gonna be in the description, by the way. I don't want cookies, I'm not hungry. When you scroll down, you can pick your operating system, pick the one you have, download the installer, and when you're done, we can move on to the next step, picking your IDE. When it comes to IDEs, there are a few you can choose from. They do have slight differences, but for learning purposes, any of them are just fine. And if in the future you need or want to switch between them, it's as easy as changing browsers. It's really not a big deal. So go and pick whichever looks cooler to you. With that said, I'm going to be using IntelliJ throughout this course. So if it's easier for you to follow along that way, then please download IntelliJ. Otherwise, the other two popular options are Eclipse and NetBeans. And if you want, you can also use Visual Studio Code, which also have a Java extension. Download links are in the description below. And that's it. This is all we need to get started. When the JDK is installed and you pick your IDE, we can move on to the next video when we're gonna make the all that famous Hello World application together. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.